Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to purchase from Gumroad. Purchasing from Gumroad can sometimes feel a bit daunting, especially if you're not familiar with the platform or online shopping in general. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, we're here to make the process a breeze. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be navigating Gumroad with ease, ensuring that your transactions are not only seamless, but also secure. Let's embark on this journey to discover the wonders of purchasing digital products from Gumroad. First things first, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Gumroad dashboard. Picture this dashboard as your central hub or home base on Gumroad. It's here that you can manage all your purchases and explore an exciting selection of new products. Gumroad has designed this space to be intuitive, making your navigation and shopping experience as pleasant as possible. To start your exploration, click on the Discover tab. This is where the magic happens. It opens up a world full of diverse content. From digital art and ebooks to instructional videos and specialized tools, the array of offerings is crafted by talented creators from around the globe. Now, if you have a specific product in mind, don't worry. You can easily locate it by using the search function. Just type in the name or category of the product you're interested in, directly into the search bar. For instance, if you're searching for ebooks on graphic design, simply type graphic design ebooks and hit enter. This action will bring up a list of relevant products, each eagerly waiting for your consideration. Once you find a product that catches your eye, click on it to get more details. It's important to read through the product description thoroughly, as it offers valuable insights into what exactly you're about to purchase. These details help you determine if the item aligns with your expectations and needs. Also, take a moment to check reviews from other buyers. These reviews not only provide additional assurance, but might also highlight features or aspects you hadn't even considered. Feeling confident about your choice? Fantastic. It's now time to add the product to your cart. Look for the Add to Cart button and click on it. This step places the product in your cart, allowing you to either review your selection or proceed directly to checkout if you're ready to finalize the purchase. Now let's move on to the checkout process, which is a crucial phase of your shopping journey. Your shopping cart will display a summary of the items you've selected. This is your chance to verify that everything is perfect and that nothing has been overlooked or missed. Double-check that all the details match what you intended to purchase. Proceed by entering your payment details. It's essential to ensure that your payment information is accurate and up to date to avoid any potential hitches. After filling in all the required details, click Pay. And there you have it. A few clicks and key presses later, your chosen product becomes yours, seamlessly delivered right to your Gumroad account. The platform is designed to make your shopping journey smooth and satisfying, every step of the way. Enjoy your new purchase and happy shopping with all that Gumroad has to offer. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to purchase from Gumroad. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.